Ethel, another question for you. How far back could you go for your QWE? Nice, clear question. The answer is as far back as you want. But there may be practical problems in having it confirmed, because I've had people who said the solicitor who saw my work has retired, has died. Okay, so they're dead. You're probably stuck there. If you're going to an external confirming solicitor, the external confirming solicitor will have to see the work and have to get feedback from the supervisor. And there may be practical considerations then, because if you left the organization a number of years ago, how are you going to be able to get them to give you permission to have the evidence, the work to show to the external confirming solicitor? And B, they may not even have it anyway. Because emails, for example, which often form a large part of the evidence that I'm viewing when I'm confirming qualifying work experience, they may have been archived. So there are practical considerations. And if you're going to an external confirming solicitor, you can't access the work to show them, you may not be able to use that QWE, because we as external confirming solicitors have to answer questions to the SRA when we're doing the confirmation. Have you seen the work? Have you got feedback from the supervisor? Does the supervisor have any concern about your character or suitability for you being a solicitor? Now, if we can't get that evidence, I'm not going to lie to the SRA. I can't confirm that period at QWE. So I hope that's of some help there.